What's up, you guys? It's Jason from RPM, and today I'm going to be showing you a nice little add-on product that we offer for our Maverick R and Maverick R Max. It is the catch can filter relocation kit, and essentially we have our catch can tucked really tight and neat up on the firewall, and that's great. But if you're running a windshield or a full cab, you can get fumes in the cab. That bothers some people don't seem to care. But regardless, we love the location of our catch can. We didn't want it hanging off the back, just exposed and looking like it's out of place. We keep them tight against the firewall. And to rectify the smell that some people get when they're running a windshield, we have a relocation hose. Essentially what it does is it's mounting to the catch can where the filter goes, and it's pulling the filter to the back of the car near the rear radiator and the intercooler, and we're allowing the fans to pull those fumes back and out of the car. I mean, you know, eliminating the smell that some people experience. Some cars don't. E85 cars are gonna have more than others. A lot of race gas cars. Anybody that's running really hot, high speeds, you're gonna see a lot of fumes too. But a lot of those cars in the desert where they have plenty of airflow and they're never noticing it. For those who are, I wanna show you this little add-on kit. You can buy it separate, or when you're buying a catch can, you can add this to it. So let's jump to it. I'm gonna show you one mounted, show you one not mounted. I'm gonna show you how to mount one. All right, guys, so what I like to do is if you have this cover, it comes off super easy. If you have the roof scoop, you can actually just kind of bring these up and they'll stay out of the way, like that. And you can see here, we have it mounted. It's super easy, super clean. It doesn't get in the way of the shock, doesn't get away the factory intake tube. The RPM Big Fatty intake tube also clears it, no problem. This is essentially what the tube looks like. It's gonna come with a worm gear clamp. This is a German ear clamp, so it's super safe on silicone. This is gonna go on where your filter was. It'll go to the catch can. It's gonna snake over, come through this factory piece of plastic. Essentially what you'll do is you'll take this plastic fitting, you'll mount it through that plastic firewall and into the tube, and this big ring here creates a wall so that it can't pull through or fall out. You'll pinch this ear clamp, and then you can install your filter on this other end using the clamp that's already on your catch can breather filter. If you do not have a single ear clamp, we do sell them super cheap, and they're a nice tool to kind of always have. So yeah, this is it installed. I'm gonna show you how to install one now on this factory plastic piece. All right, so essentially what this is the plastic piece that's located back here. It's super easy to remove. It's just a couple 10mm bolts. And you can remove this. The good thing is you don't need to remove it. I had this to remove just to kind of show you guys how easy this is. Again, this is a 1 3/8 drill bit. You can drill it from this side with like a step bit. You can cut it out wherever you want. Step bit seems to be the easiest. You can drill it from this side. And then once you have that done, we'll hop up here and I'll show you how to hook it up. All right, so we've got our hole drilled here. Okay, so we have the plastic fitting in the filter already. We're gonna insert it this side through. Get it nice and snug. Get the clamp right where we want it. We're gonna reach up here and just simply pinch this. She's there for good. It's that simple. We then tighten the filter up, tighten it on the catch can, and essentially what we're doing is allowing the fans to draw any of the fumes that would come through the catch can out and down and to the back of the car. So if you have fume issues, you're running a windshield like this car is, this is a great way to solve the fume issue. You can pick these up at rpmsidebyside.com.